Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can find drafts on our Instagram account. So for that you need to open up your Instagram, and if you want to find the draft for your reel that you were just creating and it just got in drafts, then you need to just open up your profile and then switch to reels mode, and here you will find all the drafts related to your account here of all the reels that are in draft. So just click on them and you will be able to see the drafts. But if you are looking forward for the drafts for your story, then you need to open up the home page and then you need to just swipe it to the left side. And after that, if you click on this option of your profile's photos where you can edit the plus button, just click on it. And after that, in the draft section, you will be able to see the drafts related to your story. So just click on it and you will be able to see all the drafts. So just select them and post them whenever you want. So this is how you find drafts on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.